Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super cool mini karaoke device that this brand sent to me for this video. I gotta say that this is so cool just because it is tiny but mighty and so much. You can have so much fun with this one. I want to show you that in a few seconds and how. But basically, you're gonna have this super small rig over here. It also comes with kind of like a nice subwoofer thing over here and a lights that you can change the mode. You can change the lighting mode, so that's actually kind of like cool for setting up the vibe at night, I want to say, and kind of like changing that light as well. You also have this strap over here just to take it with you in the house and say, hey, who's starting to do the dishes? Hey, you need to clean the cat litter, take out the bags, like the trash out, whatever. So kind of like that, and having fun with your kids, with your family, with friends. You also have the USB-C charger right here, the cable, and you're gonna have not one but two microphones actually, which are so easy to connect. The only thing you will do is turn on this device. It will get into Bluetooth mode. By the way, you can also use this one as a speaker, and then turn on. I mean, you can turn on like both microphones if you want, or just like one microphone. And that's it. That's everything you will have to do. But then something super cool. Let me actually put my microphone over here so you can hear better.
So my microphone is just over there, so we are just talking with this microphone over here. No issues, no delay, no nothing. A little bit of fun echo, if you want to call it that way. And also, if you want to sing, you can do it with this microphone. Okay, so here's the other thing about this one. You just short press. Once that you short press the microphone.
Magical Voice 1.
Magical Voice 1. Oh my god. Okay, stop.
Magical Voice 2.
I just changed my voice a little bit because I want to know what's happening with this microphone, you know? So you have a kind of like a baby voice, like an old lady voice.
Magical Voice 3.
And this is gonna be, this is my voice, what's happening? I mean, this is my voice, I can't see anything wrong with this, you know?
Magical Voice 4. Original singing mode.
Okay, so that was basically it. I think this thing is pretty cool. You have just like a tiny little guy over here ready for you and your friends and family to have fun. You can also put a USB-A over there. You can put a micro SD card to put some singing modes, some songs and things like that. And just have fun changing the voice with one or two people with two microphones. This is pretty cool. I like it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.